Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to place for all things beauty. If you're someone who lives for the perfect cat eye or just wants an eyeliner that can keep up with your day or night, this review might just be what you need. Today, we're talking about Too Faced Killer Kajal 12-Hour Long-Wearing Intense Black Eyeliner. It promises bold, intense color that stays put, even through sweat and smudges, perfect for anyone who needs their liner to last. But does it really deliver? This eyeliner comes in a sleek pencil form, making it super easy to apply. The standout feature is its waterproof and smudge-proof formula. Too Faced promises a 12-hour wear time with a natural finish, meaning you get all the drama without that shiny, overglossed look. The color? Intense black, perfect for anyone who loves a bold eye. The eyeliner is also designed to be as fuss-free as possible, so you won't be worrying about reapplication throughout the day. Now let's talk about the texture. The pencil glides on smoothly, which is key when you're working with a product that's supposed to stay in place. I found that it didn't drag or pull on the skin, which is important, especially if you're using it on your waterline. It's creamy enough to blend out for a softer look, but it sets quickly, locking in that long-lasting color. This is something I really appreciated because we all know the struggle of eyeliner that doesn't stay in place or smudges halfway through the day. When it comes to performance, I decided to really put it to the test. I wore it on a long day that included errands, a workout, and a dinner out. I had no issues with it smudging or fading, which is a huge win for me. By the end of the night, my eyeliner still looked just as sharp and intense as when I first applied it. And let's not forget the waterproof claim. Whether you're dealing with humidity or a little tear from an emotional movie, this eyeliner stays put. That said, every product has its ups and downs. The one downside I encountered is that, while it glides on smoothly, the pencil itself isn't the most precise for detailed lines. If you're looking for ultra-fine definition, a liquid liner might be a better bet. Another thing to keep in mind is that sharpening the pencil can be a bit tricky, as it's a soft formula, so you might need to sharpen more frequently than you would with firmer pencils. When it comes to value for money, Too Faced offers a solid product. The eyeliner is on the pricier side compared to drugstore options, but considering the performance, waterproof formula, and longevity, I think it's justified. It's definitely a great option for those looking for an eyeliner that can handle a full day without reapplication. If you're on a budget though, there are drugstore alternatives that might offer similar wear time for a fraction of the cost. Something to consider if you're watching your spending. Now, compared to other high-end eyeliners, this one holds up pretty well. Some other waterproof options I've tried tend to feel a bit too stiff or hard to apply, but Too Faced Killer Kajal strikes a good balance between smooth application and long-lasting power. It stands out with its creamy texture and solid black pigment, making it a standout contender in the market. As for the packaging, it's simple but functional. The pencil is lightweight and easy to handle, though you will need to sharpen it, so keep that in mind. In terms of customer support, I haven't personally had any issues with Too Faced, but their reputation for handling queries is generally good. They also have a loyal fan base, and that speaks volumes when it comes to product satisfaction. To wrap things up, Too Faced Killer Kajal 12-Hour Long-Wearing Intense Black Eyeliner is a solid choice for anyone looking for a smudge-proof, waterproof liner that doesn't quit. It's perfect for those who want intense color that stays in place throughout the day, whether you're running errands or heading out for a night out. However, if you're after an eyeliner with pinpoint precision, you might want to look elsewhere. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support means so much to us. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this eyeliner, drop a comment below to share your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.